Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an Anker Soundcore Icon or Icon Plus wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. The procedure is basically the same for both. I'll just tell you what the little bit of a difference is. But anyways, you might want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not working for some reason, if it's not connecting to Bluetooth or to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing properly, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get it fixed and you want a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a great speaker at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete all the pairing history and everything off of this so that you can set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this really easily. With the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button and the volume up button. They're right next to each other. We're just going to press and hold them. And the only difference is on the plus, you have to hold this for a little bit longer. It's about 2 seconds on the icon and 5 seconds on the icon plus, at which point it will cause the speaker, you'll actually hear it restart. Once it restarts, then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker.